way to Costa Rica, leaving the Atlanta Hartsfield Airport. Make sure if you are traveling from Atlanta that you arrive at the airport 2 hours in advance if you are doing a red eye. When I tell you that security line was ridiculous, I ain't never seen that security line look like that ever in my life.
Yay! Everybody gang gang! Everybody in Costa Rica, we live, baby! Internationally known. But we need to
Get him a whole 20 and we confused. We don't think he gave us outright change back.
Yes. Now we don't know.
We don't know. We don't got time to check. Exchange your money so you don't gotta go through the confusion. I'm gonna see what this be like. Some Costa Rica rainforest artesian water. They out here hustling. She got the same thing over there. Oh, she got them wheels. Them wheels do be tasty. Oh, that's him. Sorry.
Oh, the wheels. Oh, what is the little...
What's that one? What is that fruit?
Mango.
Mango. Oh, okay.
This one I do with the jabata.
Tokyo drift. So we stuck because we don't have a 4x4, we have 4x2, and everything in Costa Rica is hilly, and so now we at the bottom of the hill. And
we just tried to get up.
We tried. The car did a little spin, and we said, you know what, we gonna wait. We gonna wait at the bottom. We gonna wait on God. We hungry. We drove 3 hours to get here, but you know what? We still gonna wait on God, cause God is faithful. Okay, and we know that somebody gonna come down this hill any minute now.
Oh, God,
they're gonna be coming down. Any minute they gonna come.
Come when you want him, but he'll be there right on time. He's an on time God. Yes, he is. Whoa, on time God. Yes, he is. Right on time. He's an on time God. Yes, he is. On time God. Yes, he is.
Y'all, we hungry, Lord. We is hungry, Lord.
This is like a disaster.
If y'all see this hill, honey, and then this rain matching with the hill, and it's just
the Moody's tires, honey. These little weak things. I mean, they ain't have nothing for me. Like
we started trying to go up the hill, and a little traction. The car got to sliding a little bit. We got
trash. All right.
With the door open last night. Let me just say, this is like one of the most peaceful things on earth that I have probably ever experienced. Waking up to the sun rising over the ocean in the rainforest. The sounds of nature. This is quite amazing. Beautiful. So I'm gonna just do some video footage and show y'all this epic house. Now, first of all, that is the mother-in-law suite up there. That's where the housekeeper and everyone stays. But these steps lead to the house. Voila, front door of the house. Let me give you a tour of this house. Exceptionally huge, elegant. Over here, you have your laundry pantry, which leads to outdoors, the outdoor shower, the backyard there. Okay. Look at those steps. Yeah, that's our little decorations we set up. This is 30, y'all. This is 30. Look at this. Look at this kitchen. Beautiful. I mean, wow. Come on. Wow. Are you serious right now? Infinity pool that looks like it leads into the ocean. life. This is 30. God is so gracious. 3 infinity pools. Not 1, not 2, but a 3rd over there. And let me actually kind of pool table over here. So let me take y'all down. I don't know if this door is unlocked, but this leads to the master suite. I actually can't open it from this way. I'm gonna go the other way and show you guys the master suite. Wow. So let me show you the master bedroom and everything this way. Here we have a little half bath there. Guest bedroom there. Little area to chill out. It's that pool room. This here, these steps here, lead you to the master bedroom. Look at that view. Oh my gosh. To wake up to that is amazing. So here you have the bathtub in the master bedroom, the his and her. Wow. The bathroom here. Look at the shower in here. What a sight. Then here you have the closet. You don't need much closet over here. But wow. Okay. Now, let me take you upstairs. Oh wait, no, I haven't shown you the basement. Let me show you the basement while I'm down here. So the basement, funny enough, this is actually a bookshelf. So on the way to the basement, it's like a hideaway basement. Push the bookshelf open and voila. There's some lights going. Costa Rica is giving life. Down here, tons of closet space. This is like the kids' playroom / bedroom area. Look at all those bunk beds. 6 babies can fit in there. Beautiful. Then they have another little half bathroom down here. Okay, let me take you upstairs. Okay. So upstairs, oh, check out this little chill area. All of these bedrooms upstairs are quite amazing. There's 3 bedrooms, so there's one. Here's the one I'm in. Nice big size bed. Look at this. Waking up to this was quite amazing. And all of the bedrooms have access to the balcony. The balcony wraps around the entire upstairs. The bathroom in here is beautiful as well. Love the shower, 2-head shower. Okay. Still downstairs. Let me show you Indian room. Are you ladies dressed? Okay.
Not yet. We're good there.
Look at this. Okay. Okay, shower. Alright, we'll be right down. So, breakfast is ready. We about to get to it. Made our own little puree too. step here.
So on our first day, we decided to just chill in this beautiful mansion and just catch a vibe. So we took a lot of pictures by the pool, we had breakfast, and we just enjoyed each other for the first day here.
Yeah, this is 30. Okay, we are just out here taking some pictures.
So anything we do, I dey try to do on my way. Plenty so far we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You gon' see.
Hey. There go that light. Ooh.